Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recover deleted projects on CapCut PC. Go to menu and go back to homepage. Then for instance, I deleted this project on accident and I want it back. So select the trash icon in your homepage and select it, and you're just going to select the recover or like the restore button. It's only kept there for 30 days, so I hope when you watch this tutorial it's not been 30 days and your file is still there. So I know like losing a file really sucks, so just like restore. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.